guys, welcome back to my channel. We are zoomed in nice and close today. I thought it would be fun to do a fall get ready with me. So I have a pumpkin cream cold brew from Starbucks. Be sure to grab your favorite pumpkin beverage, whether it's the original PSL, something from Dunkin', or a pumpkin flavored tea. And let's go ahead and do our makeup together. Absolutely divine. So first up, let's spray ourselves with some perfume. I'm going to be wearing the Sweet Like Candy by Ariana Grande. I feel like this is a very fall and winter scent. I am going to be primarily using the Naked Honey palette today. And I thought it would be super fun just to kind of create a fall bucket list and talk through it with you guys. So let me know, what are your must-have fall items to do this year? I'm going to kind of talk you through some of mine. Of course, we are starting with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I just love this foundation so much. For someone that has oily, acne-prone skin, I have a lot of redness, which you might notice. So this foundation is just really the best. It stays on all day, doesn't crease, doesn't give me acne. I just love it so much. So the first thing on my fall bucket list is to have a pumpkin beverage, which I have done probably 20 times now. I know that's kind of ridiculous, but I have literally been going to the Starbucks every day and getting the pumpkin cream cold brew. It's just so good. It's hard to believe that like 2 years ago I hated pumpkin beverages. I thought it was nasty. I kind of made fun of people, like the basic people that just love their PSLs, and look at what I've become. Coffee drinking is apparently my only personality trait. Next up on my bucket list, I really want to watch a scary movie. Last year, my boyfriend and I watched a couple different movies. We watched Hocus Pocus. I had also never seen Hocus Pocus until last year, so I don't know what's wrong with me. I used to be like this really big like summer girl, and I was like really anti-fall because to me fall in Pennsylvania is just like the start of misery because it gets so cold, and like by October you have to wear like jeans and a jacket, and I just love wearing dresses and shorts. Like I love the beach, I love hot weather, so to me fall like always represented the end of all of that stuff. And so I was never anxious for fall, and I didn't understand people that got excited for fall. But then I started doing like more fall activities, and I started liking pumpkin, and you know, I got older and became obsessed with like Halloween dish towels and things like that. And now I just am another basic girl that bit the dust, and I love fall. But anyway, where I was getting with that story is I watched Hocus Pocus for the first time last year, and that was on my fall bucket list. But I want to watch like more scary movies because we didn't watch any scary movies. I don't want to watch something that will like keep me up for days, but I want like a good scare. So if you know a movie that would give me a good scare but wouldn't creep me out too much, leave it in the comments below. Next up, we are going to be using the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. This has been my everyday concealer for about the last 2 years. I love it. It's a little bit thinner than Shape Tape, extremely long wearing. I think it's a good value for the price. You really get a lot of product in. Blends easily. You don't have to immediately blend it in. It doesn't dry down that fast, and it provides you with great coverage. So what is not to love about this concealer? Something else on my fall bucket list is I want to bake like a pumpkin based dessert or some sort of fall dessert. I don't like pumpkin pie. I know that's weird. Maybe I'll like it in the future, but I'm not a big fan of pie in general. I don't really like filling or the crust. So I'm not going to be baking a pumpkin pie, but maybe like chocolate chip cookies with pumpkin in them. I think I saw a recipe for something like that on TikTok. it was like, this is your sign to listen to Evermore by Taylor Swift and bake a pumpkin dessert. And I was like, yes, that is exactly what I want to do on a Friday night. All blended in. I'm using this e.l.f. brush. This is really great for concealer. I think it's just called the e.l.f. Buffing Foundation Brush. Next, we are going to set with the Maybelline Fit Me Setting Powder. This powder is amazing. It's like $6 and it just really sets your makeup nicely. I will admit that if it's like super, super humid out and you have like super oily skin, it's not going to work for you, but kind of like this time of year, or if you're just, you know, kind of sitting inside all day, going to the office, but who goes to the office anymore? Certainly not me. It works for that kind of stuff. Now we're going to go in with some bronzer using this one from NARS. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. So I might be in the market for a new bronzer soon. But the next thing on my bucket list is I want to go to a haunted house or some sort of haunted hayride or haunted attraction. I did not get to do that last year because of COVID. Gonna go in with some blush from Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like haunted stuff is more of like October, and like September is more pumpkin patch season. Gonna line my lips with the KKW lip liner. I need my mirror, BRB. And we're back. I think this is a great dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury lip liner, the Pillow Talk one. I feel like the color is almost identical. And we're gonna go in with some Smashbox lipstick in the color Be Legendary. This is a nice orangey red, perfect for fall. Let's do our brows. MAC eyebrow pencil, Velvet Luxe brow liner in Omega. This is going to take me a while. So this weekend we are going to go get some apple cider. I like to keep all of my makeup brushes in here. But yeah, we're going to go get some cider at Arsenal Cider House in Lawrenceville. That's another fall thing that I wanted to do. Just some hard apple cider sounds good to me. Going to be going in with this first shade, Flyby, in the Honey palette. I've like hit pan on this shade. I just always like to kind of set my eyeshadow with this light shade as a nice base. Just really helps everything last. And I just love the Naked palettes because they give you a free brush. Like, that is so nice. Then we're going to go in with Keeper. And just put that everywhere. This is just a very, very simple eye look. I am just doing this for the fun. I'm sure everyone has seen a million different eyeshadow tutorials of people that are much more skilled than I am. I also want to paint pumpkins. My boyfriend and I did that last year, and we really enjoyed it. We had a good laugh. His pumpkin turned out a little awkward, but we definitely had fun doing that. We also roasted some pumpkin seeds. And all you do to roast pumpkin seeds is you just put them in the oven, like on a flat sheet. You add a little bit of salt. You could also add like cinnamon and vanilla if you wanted them to be sweeter, but it's super simple and it's really tasty and they're pretty good for you actually. So we want to like paint and carve pumpkins. I'm gonna go in with Hive and kind of darken this up a little bit. We're also looking for like our own fall drink to make. Like, we're gonna get the hard apple cider this weekend, but in a future weekend, I did see this one recipe on TikTok where it was like apple cider, Aperol, an orange slice, and like, I don't know, club soda and it was sort of like an Aperol spritz but with apple cider. And I absolutely love Aperol, so I'm kind of thinking that we need to make that drink. But if you guys know of any other really good drinks, fall drinks, let me know. I'd love to try them out, and I'm sure some other people that watch this video would like to try them out as well. And we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeliner with this little brush by e.l.f. We're gonna go into the darkest shade Sting. I definitely want to wear a lot of cute fall fashion, cute boots, cute cardigans. I think I want to get a teddy coat, or teddy coat's still in. I've been like debating on getting one for like the last 2 seasons, and I just didn't pull the trigger yet. But I think this might be the year that I acquire a teddy coat. They just look so soft and fuzzy. I'm going to be using this NYX eyeliner to go over the eyeshadow based eyeliner. This will just really lock this in for the entire day. I don't even think I told you guys what I'm doing today. I'm just getting ready for like a normal work day, and then I'm going to get my hair cut after work. So no big plans. I just kind of wanted to spice up my Tuesday and make it a little bit fun. Oh, and something I definitely want to do is I want to dress up for Halloween. I want to go to a Halloween party or like go out for Halloween. I really love dressing up, and I would love to do another couple's costume. I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Perversion mascara. Highly recommend this mascara. It's definitely worth the money. Last year, Nick and I dressed up as Gatsby and Daisy because why not? I thought it was a cute idea. And we went to like a very small Halloween party with a couple friends. But did this happen to anyone else? Like, a lot of my friends moved away after college, but then I feel like even after COVID now, like even more of my friends moved away. Like the friends that I went to that party with, like all moved. I'm just like, what the heck, man? I have some ideas for Halloween costumes, but none that are like really sticking out to me. But isn't that crazy? I just feel like once it's this time of the year, everything just starts going so fast. I'm gonna go in with Clinique mascara to do my bottom lashes. And there you have it. That is the completed fall-inspired makeup look. Really not too different than a normal everyday makeup look. Just a little bit more of a fall-colored lipstick, and, you know, having a pumpkin spice beverage makes everything fall-themed. So, cheers, happy fall. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!